set. There's something big coming up on your screen. Just settle back and relax, 'cause you're gonna get a whole lot of singing, a whole lot of laughing, a whole lot of loving from me.
Thank you very much. What a beautiful audio. I feel pretty good tonight, but you know, I think I'm starting to walk in my sleep again. Yeah, this morning I woke up and there were footprints on the ceiling. We had such a wonderful party at our house last night. It was in honor of Les Brown, because he's got such a great band and such great arrangements. Yeah, Les showed up with his wife and his girlfriend, which is one of the greatest arrangements I ever heard of. Okay, baby. I really had a lot of fun last night. When I got up this morning, I looked myself right in the eye, and if you think that's easy, you try it without a mirror. No. I had a real nice day. My kids came home from school early, you know, and they surprised me.